बॉलीवुड लाइव देखने वाले सभी दर्शकों को हमारा हार्दिक अभिनंदन। दीपावली की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। आप दीपावली हर्ष के साथ मनाएं। हर्ष मेरा पड़ोसी नहीं, हर्ष एज इन दी जो भाव हर्ष है उसकी बात कर रहा हूं मैं। सुरक्षित मनाएं और प्रदूषण कम फैलाएं, मिठाई ज्यादा खाएं, दिए जलाएं और 4 तारीख को जब दिवाली खत्म हो जाती है तो 12 तारीख का इंतजार करें जिस दिन
बॉलीवुड लाइव के सारे दर्शकों को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट रसल डिसल्वा और आज मेरे साथ मौजूद है 3 दिग्गज महारथी इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के। एक इतने बढ़िया एक्टर है कि इनकी तारीफ में हम कितना भी कहे कम ही होंगे। के मेनन साहब, नीरज पांडे, बाय फार विदाउट अ डाउट वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट डायरेक्टर्स इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा। सर, आपको पता है मैं आपको पहले भी बोल चुका, इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि कैमरा
दिस इज वे टू मच, बट थैंक यू।
एंड विनय पाठक जी, इन्होंने पहले हमें काफी हंसाया था और ऐसे ही हमारा दिल जीते थे, लेकिन उसके बाद कई अलग अलग किरदार में उन्होंने अपना टैलेंट हर तरह से हर रंग में दिखाया। सो वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड लाइफ। वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पेशल ऑप्स 1.5, looking fantastic, but there's no doubt because Special Ops was also fantastic.
Thank you.
So, sir, first of all, to bring you into this 1.5, this is a very uncommon title. आप भी ये चीज मानेंगे because whenever people go into a sequel, they usually say before or they say part 2. If it's a sequel, it's part 2. अगर it's a prequel, then they have some other name. ये 1.5, Special Ops 1.5, ये नाम आपने कैसा सोचा? एकदम यूनिक है.
That was the point, to tell this story in the most unique manner as possible, and that's something that sticks in public memory because Special Ops, the love that we got from the audience, the affection that we got from the audience prompted us to look beyond conventional storytelling in the first place. So when we hit upon the idea that okay, we can go into Himmat's backstory and try an offshoot, so the 1.5 thing also came around that it would be better positioned as a 1.5 rather than a season 2. And it's a unique story because it goes back in time, 2001, 2002, 2003, those 2 or 3 years which shaped the personality of Himmat Singh and the incidents that shaped this personality, and that took off.
KK Saab, there is one thing that stands out to you. You are a fantastic actor, there's no doubt about it. But it's almost like the people who work behind the scenes. It looks like कि उनको ज़्यादा मेकअप या उनको ज़्यादा आपके फीचर्स पे काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You're always looking so young, so fit in your shows. It's a fact.
ये पहले
आप पहले
आपकी असली टैलेंट सवेरे क्यों नहीं है?
बट आप लोग मानोगे कि नहीं?
मैं तो मानता हूँ.
No one's denied.
Yes.
I was not denied.
Yeah. So the thing, because जब जो जैसा नीरज साहब ने कहा कि ये कहानी ऐसी है कि 2001-2002 में पहले जाती है, जैसा हमने कहा देखा कि आयरिशमैन में मार्टिन स्कॉर्सेसी को डी-एजिंग टेक्निक यूज करना पड़ा. There is no need with that with you completely. You just land on set and you start.
That's it. Yeah. यहाँ पे पहला वाला उत्तर लागू होता है.
So we aged him for season 1.
You aged him for season 1.
And then just shot with the natural KK in these.
1.5.
That's nice. And somewhere or another, I am thinking कि कहीं ये 1.5 ऐसा क्यों नहीं? Because when जब मैंने ट्रेलर देखा, कुछ हमें कुछ फ्रेम्स, कुछ झलक दिखा स्पेशल ऑप्स का, and then it goes back to the flashback. तो कुछ alternate timeline है जिस वजह से 1.5 है?
No, alternate मतलब कहानी जो है वो अब्बास जो विनय के कैरेक्टर्स के थ्रू नरेट होती है. ये 1.5 पूरी की पूरी जो तो एक रेफरेंस है प्रेजेंट का, बट पूरी की पूरी कहानी जो है वो 2001 में ही सेट है.
विनय सर, पहले शो में हमने देखा कि केके मेनन वाज गेटिंग ग्रिल्ड इन दैट इंटरोगेशन रूम, एंड इस बार आपके साथ इंटरोगेशन हो रहा है. सो इज दिस योर लव? सो इस बार पूरा का पूरा दैट इंटरोगेशन फोकस इज ऑन यू एंड द फ्लैशबैक इज टोल्ड फ्रॉम योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. इज दैट?
अगर यही मैं बता दूंगा तो आप देखेंगे कैसे, है ना?
नहीं सर, ये इतना भी बड़ा स्पॉइलर तो नहीं है. इतना भी बड़ा
इसकी रोचकता बरकरार रहनी चाहिए. हाँ, इस बार मतलब सवाल जवाब मुझसे किया जा रहा है, लेकिन जो कहानी है वो हिम्मत सिंह कैसे बना, ये इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी है. ये हमारे इस 1.5 सीरीज का मुख्य आकर्षण है.
नीरज जी, जो हनी ट्रैप एंगल है जो ट्रेलर में मैंने देखा, दिस इज समथिंग दैट वाज वेरी कॉमन इन द कोल्ड वॉर डेज बिटवीन अमेरिका एंड रशियन स्पाइस। वो काफी उसके ऊपर फिल्में भी बनी थी। दिस इज समथिंग आई थिंक सो इट्स वेरी यूनिक फॉर एन इंडियन स्पाई थ्रिलर। So how much of this mean? Obviously, you have done a lot of research. So this is something that used to happen very often in that era in 2001, 2002, where honey trap
Still happens. We are not half aware right now, but still happens. Honey trapping is actually one of the most often used weapons in the world of espionage. There are different words for it. There's sexpionage, there's extortion, etc., etc. But when it comes to espionage, honey trapping is probably the most oldest and also the most used weapon in the arsenal. So we are taking a leaf out of incidents that resemble something that happened in 2001, and but we are also trying to delve deep into like how it actually happens. How it's not just that okay, a case just starts on its own one fine day or anything of that sort. There's a particular ploy, there's a play that happens, and there's a sequence of events that triggers it into, and sometimes the gestation period is way too long. So the series actually takes a hard look at that and sort of takes us through that process.
KK sir, when it comes to portraying the younger Himmat as opposed to what you were doing in the first show, was it a very simple, was your character trajectory, was it very easy for you, or did you have to bring some other nuances to the part in order to portray the younger self?
The older self was very difficult.
Okay.
Younger self was natural, so it was not an issue.
Because you look so young.
The youth within me had just to be kind of put out there.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a matter of how youthful you are.
That is true. That is true. Coming to the role, but would it be safe to say, KK sir, and this is with due respect to the body of work you have done, but this would be probably the most, how to put it, the most mainstream, the most commercial,
most popular.
Yes, the character you have ever played.
Yes.
So compared to all your roles, how much you enjoyed doing it? Just because of the enjoyment factor.
For me, it's a journey of shooting, which I enjoy or don't enjoy. The final result, be it as it may, doesn't really bother me. But that span of life that you lead is gone forever when you're shooting, say 40 days, 50 days. That's the span it needs to be really interesting for me. And that's a time well spent as an actor. So in this case, it's always well spent. It's always so interesting and so exhilarating that it always remains with me. Special Ops 1 as well as 1.5.
Neeraj ji, while conceiving Special Ops, was this always at the back of your mind कि हाँ एक हिम्मत सिंह की जो एक इंसेप्शन स्टोरी है मुझे लाना ही है, or did the success of Special Ops prompt you to probably do this?
It would have taken a different route maybe at that point of time. I mean, we were not sure about how we would go about our business. We don't look too further in any case. So it all depended on how one would fare, how one would be received. And once we saw the results, it naturally begged us the question, where do we take this franchisee? And it was at that point of time that we decided, let's go and take the 1.5 route and tell Himmat's backstory as the first story in that installment. So that's a call.
तो क्या हमें it will be probably a possibility out there कि जो बाकी कैरेक्टर्स है जैसे करण टैकर और सैमी खेर और शायद विनय पाठक साहब का भी उनकी भी बैक स्टोरीज हमें देखने मिलेगी फ्यूचर में?
So ये मतलब you can't say with writer like Mr. Neeraj Pandey, because what you expect he wouldn't give you.
So since you expected,
So since you have already expected, you have already thrown it out of the window. It's never going to happen. ये मैं लिख के दे देता हूँ
Abbas's story is now out of the window.
Correct.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry,
फॉर्मूला तो इन्होंने बनाया नहीं है.
आपकी कहानी शायद बन सकती थी, अभी मेरी वजह से नहीं
खत्म.
बनेगी.
आपने उस पे तेल डाल दिया.
मुझे
खत्म, पानी डाल दिया.
No. Jokes apart, I mean, all these characters are extremely dear to us. We don't know what direction the franchise is going to go. So we'll wait for the response to 1.5 and then see or look any further.
Okay, so right now also you wouldn't know probably that whether you will go to Special Ops 2 or probably another backstory.
No, if we go, we'll go for Ops 2 only.
Okay.
And how we go about that business is something that we'll take a call later.
हम मार्वल यूनिवर्स में कई बार देखते हैं और अभी सूर्यवंशी में भी देखने मिलेगा हमें कि एंड में क्लाइमैक्स में जैसे कि सिम्बा और सिंघम वापस आ रहे हैं और मार्वल यूनिवर्स में एंड में अगर आयरन मैन की फिल्म देख रहे हैं तो स्पाइडरमैन का वगैरह आता है तो कुड इट बी पॉसिबल कि फाइनल एपिसोड में थोड़ा सा आगे के कैरेक्टर जैसा करंट अकर वगैरह अपीयरेंस आ जाए और
Wait and watch.
आपने फिर पानी फेर दिया बेचारा
अभी
आने वाला भी था आपने
अभी आप मुझे दुविधा में डाल रहे हो कि मैं आगे पूछूं भी तो क्या पूछूं
Actually, it's very overwhelming the queries that we get on this one as to what it is about, and
that shows how popular the show is.
we appreciate and completely respect that. At the same time, we would like the audiences to discover the show. I mean, it was made with a certain intent, and there was a certain way we would like them to consume the content also, rather than talk about it and people get to know about it, etc., etc. It's better that they see the show and enjoy it in the entirety that we would like them to.
विनय जी आपने शुरुआत की काफी मे बी नॉट शुरुआत बट आपका जो पॉपुलैरिटी हुआ देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ कॉमेडी इन द बिगिनिंग ग्रेट इंडियन कॉमेडी शो वाज देयर भेजा फ्राई प्रॉब्ली वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अंडररेटेड कॉमेडी फिल्म्स कभी भी भेजा फ्राई आती है मैं थोड़ा सा तो सीन्स देखता हूँ बिकॉज गारंटीड थोड़ी सी तो हंसी आएगी टेंशन दूर हो जाएगा वे वुड यू से कि वो ट्रांजिशन फेस कहाँ से आया आपके लिए कि कॉमेडी से आप स्विच कर पाए और सीरियस रोल्स में आपको फिल्म मेकर्स भी देखने लगे और ऑडियंस भी आपको पसंद करने लगे
I'm a very serious actor. People discovered it much later. The fact that I was doing comedy was a very serious job. And contrary to my personality, they offered me a role like Bharat Bhushan. And I did it with such conviction that people still think that that's who I am, which I'm not. Obviously, you can see. तो इन्होंने अब्बास शेख का रोल मुझे दिया. I mean, I have to, since because I'm a very serious actor. तो मैं यही उम्मीद करूंगा कि आगे भी लोग मुझे सीरियस एक्टर ही समझे, कॉमिक एक्टर ना समझे. आप समझ रहे हैं मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
दोनों समझेंगे तो और भी अच्छा है.
नहीं क्यों?
क्योंकि फिर आपको फिर दोनों रोल्स में हम कॉमेडी भी देखेंगे आपका.
No, I think people regard him as a fabulous actor to begin with, and that's where the buck should stop. I think he's an actor prima facie. It doesn't matter what kind of roles come in his way, and whether it's comic is again very hard business. It's not an easy business. So, I mean, due credit to him and his craft.
KK sir, when you have done so much of work and then you get special ops, reflecting back on your journey in films, is there any role that you see, like you say, the shooting you enjoy most, but artists do reflect at times. तो रिफ्लेक्शन में कोई ऐसा रोल आप देखोगे और perhaps you feel this was a time everything was so box office driven but now things have become so evolved कि there are so many mediums, probably certain roles, certain movies, something came before its time, बाद में अभी आता तो शायद और public recognition मिलता है. Is there any role of yours in that way you feel?
I never challenge destiny. जो भी है वो है सामने. All I can do is to persevere and work as hard as possible. That's all I can do. So for me to really think about वैसा होता तो क्या होता is waste of time. So I don't really dwell on all those things.
Okay. Along with Himmat Singh, what would you say would be a character, an actor always loves every role he plays, but some roles are more close to the heart. Along with Himmat Singh, what would you say were the roles closest to your heart?
As I said, it's the experience.
Okay.
It's nothing to do with the outcome. It's possible that film didn't work at all, but I might have loved the journey. So it doesn't really matter to me as to what, because the work that I've done, once it's done, it's out there. That work has its own destiny. I really can't do anything much about it. So for me, this is definitely on the top. Special ops, the whole experience is definitely up there for me in my career span. Yes.
True. Okay. Before we wind up, there's some fan questions. You were there in Lukka Chupi. Usually fan questions or popular films से ही आते हैं because they see those kind of movies. So you were there in Lukka Chupi, and it ended on a very nice note. People want to see know whether it is a possibility of a Lukka Chupi too.
I'm sure there might be, but not for me.
आप क्यों?
भाई लुका छिपी मतलब मैं कर चुका हूं एक बार, मैं कोई चीज दोबारा नहीं करता।
लेकिन
सिर्फ स्पेशल ऑफ 1.5
कृति के पापा तो आप ही हो।
आप समझ लीजिए।
What timing?
हाँ, सिर्फ स्पेशल ऑफ 1.5
What timing?
और 2 आएगा तो वो भी करूंगा मैं, अभी बोलूंगा। ठीक है ना, अभी बोला मैं सबके सामने। बॉलीवुड लाइव ना,
Bollywood
हाँ लाइव, बॉलीवुड लाइव के सारे दर्शकों को दीपावली की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं।
तो पहले हैलोवीन आ रहा है।
पहले हेलोवीन आ रहा है। चलिए अगर आप लोग हेलोवीन मनाते हैं तो हेलोवीन की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं।
Okay, KK ji, आपके लिए कि people loved you in Ray. They would like to know because your character, probably it was, the one of the most layered stories of Ray. So they want to know whether it is going to be a Ray 2, obviously, and whether there's been any talks with that.
No talks about that.
Okay,
None whatsoever.
okay. And
बट स्पेशल ऑप्स 2
स्पेशल उसमें वो
Guaranteed
वो तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता। ओके, एंड सबसे ज्यादा नीरज जी के लिए आए क्वेश्चंस। एक बुक थी आपकी घालिब डेंजर
जी।
ऑन द मुंबई अंडरवर्ल्ड।
जी।
हाँ, तो उसके ऊपर आई थिंक सो कुछ रिपोर्ट्स आए थे। सो इज देयर गोइंग टू बी अ प्रोजेक्ट ऑन दैट?
We are in talks right now. Hopefully, if everything falls in place, we'll have an announcement to make on that.
Okay. Also, there was, I think so, some things about an Ajit Doval biopic.
Not with me.
Not with you. Okay, so that fans can be told it's not going to happen. And finally, Chanakya ka kya?
We are going on flows next year.
Next year. Okay, so but Ajay's many other films could come before that.
Yeah. Of course, he's got a life. Many films. His show can come before that. So I mean, that's his life now.
Okay. Finally, after the fan questions, Special Ops 1.5 looking fantastic. तो अभी it is not need for me to give any more things to the audience. आप लोग ही डेट वगैरह।
Thank you. वो हमारे विशेषज्ञ हैं यहाँ पे।
बेटा नई नौकरी लेके आऊंगा।
सर बोले।
बॉलीवुड लाइव देखने वाले सभी दर्शकों को हमारा हार्दिक अभिनंदन। दीपावली की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। आप दीपावली हर्ष के साथ मनाएं। हर्ष मेरा पड़ोसी नहीं, हर्ष जिंदगी जो भाव हर्ष है उसकी बात कर रहा हूं मैं। सुरक्षित मनाएं और प्रदूषण कम फैलाएं, मिठाई ज्यादा खाएं, दिए जलाएं और 4 तारीख को जब दिवाली खत्म हो जाती है तो 12 तारीख का इंतजार करें, जिस दिन डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार पे स्पेशल ऑप्स 1.5 का उद्घाटन होगा। आप जरूर देखें और अपनी प्रतिक्रिया हम तक जरूर पहुंचाएं। हम इंतजार करेंगे। बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you.
Thank you.